Hi everyone. In this video, I will be telling about the thermometers. More specifically, difference between the mercury thermometer and the digital thermometer. So these two thermometers we usually see in the market. Okay, this is the mercury thermometer and this is the digital thermometer. So what are thermometers? The thermometer are the instrument we use for checking the temperatures, usually during the fevers when there is a rise in temperature. The normal body temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit and 37 degrees Celsius. Normally temperature is lower in the morning and it usually increases during the days and reaches the highest level in the late afternoon and in the evening. So which temperature you will consider that you are having a fever? The temperature more than 100.4 degree Fahrenheit and 38 degrees Celsius above, you will consider that you are having fever. So there are usually four methods of measuring the temperatures. First off, there is the oral method. Oral method, you will put the sensor of the thermometer. These both are the sensors. Okay, this white one, these are the sensors. So you will put the sensors under the tongue and you will tell the subject to close his or her mouth and you will take the reading. Okay, and it is usually done in the adult and in the children above 4. Second one is the rectal method. Rectal method, what you will do, you will insert gently into the rectum the sensor and it is usually done in the babies. The third is the axillary method, which you will place the sensor in the armpit. Okay, it is usually done and it is the commonest method we usually do. Axillary method is usually done in the young adults. Okay, and the last but not the least, there is a tympanic method. You will put the sensor inside the ear. Okay, so I will tell you about the parts of the thermometer. The first, let's come to the digital thermometer. The parts are, this is the sensor you are having. Okay, this is the sensor and this is the display. This is on or off button. Also you can, if you hold this button, then you can also change the scale into Celsius scale to Fahrenheit scale and Fahrenheit scale to Celsius scale. And this is the battery loader. Okay, here you can exchange the batteries. Okay, and here and let's come to the mercury now. This is the sensor you are having. Okay, and see, this is the glass dot by which you can see here is the Celsius scale and here is the Fahrenheit scale, and you can nicely see that there is a black color inside that yellow color box. So this black color is the mercury, which increases with the increases in the temperature. Okay, before moving into and before showing you how to do the steps, let's talk about the precautions. First precautions you need to take is, if you are using a digital thermometer, please check the batteries. Okay, and if it is necessary, then please exchange it. And if you are using the mercury and if you are using in the babies, then please make sure that they should not chew this part, because this carries mercury and which is very harmful. Before using or before taking reading, please do not eat 5 minutes before taking the temperatures reading. Okay, and the next is, using both the thermometers or any thermometers, you have to make sure that you wash the sensor with a cold water and then rub with the tissue paper. If you are having a tissue paper, then please rub it with the tissue paper, the sensor, and then place it to the subject. Okay, so that is it. And the thing, before moving into the processes, let me say you that this is the most important instrument you need to have in your home. Let me tell you how to convert this scale into Celsius scale and into Fahrenheit scale. Okay, as I have said, you have to hold this on off switch. So first you press it. See, as you can see, it is already in the Fahrenheit scale and it gives the reading. Okay, and then see, it is Fahrenheit scale and this L0 means that you need to take the temperature. Okay, now hold this one tightly. Press this one tightly. See, it converts into Celsius scale. So this is it. You can change it into Celsius scale and you can change it into Fahrenheit scale. So after telling you the details of the thermometer, I will say you the procedure. So here is my subject, and as the precautions I have said you, I have already washed the sensor and now I will rub it with the tissue paper. Okay, this is the digital thermometer and you can see and you can see there is a it is in Fahrenheit scale. As you can see, it is in Fahrenheit scale. If it's written, so I will go and I will check it out, the sensor. Okay, so I will put it under the I am doing the auxiliary method, and I will keep it until it makes a beeping sound. So this is the advantage of the digital thermometer, that it makes a beeping sound. That time you will understand that already the reading is over, which doesn't happen with a mercury thermometer. So let's see what is the reading. Yeah, so see, already it has done the beeping sound, and you see it is 96.5 degree Fahrenheit, which is normal. Okay, okay, you can do this procedure in Celsius scale also, as I have already said you. Okay, now the mercury thermometer, what you can do, see the mercury thermometer, you can see before using it, remember you have to put this mercury level below 35 degrees. So what you can do, you can just zock it out. So just zock it out and just make the level below 36, it will be okay. So make it 36, below 36 degrees Celsius, and put it in the yeah, of course you have to rub the sensor with a tissue paper, and you have to put it in the axilla. The only disadvantage is you have to wait till 2 minutes to 3 minutes, and you have to check the mercury level. It increases with increases in the temperature. So you have to put it till 2 minutes to 3 minutes. So after 2 minutes, you will take it out and you will see what is the mercury level. See the mercury level, it is 36. So that means it is normal. Okay, I hope you can see 36, and in Fahrenheit scale also you can measure it. So okay, that's it. If it was a little helpful to you, then please share, like, comment, and do subscribe to my channel, and I will put the summary of this video in the description box in the form of PDF. Go and download it. Thank you.